Hi guys, good morning. So we're planning to go to Kamakura today for a half-day trip and then maybe we will come back na lang the other day para ma-complete yung Kamakura Enoshima trip natin. So we're staying here at Asakusabashi area and we are going first to Shinjuku Station para doon tayo sa Tagalog sa Manukad. Doon tayo Manukad. Doon natin sisimulan. Shinjuku Station to Kamakura. Okay, see you later. So we will start here from Asakusabashi Station and we will go to Shinjuku Station first. $118. Okay raman kay kuan man. Shinjuku. Guys, we're now here in Shinjuku Station. Tapos bibili muna tayo ng Hakone Kamakura Pass dito sa Odakyu Sightseeing Service Center ng Shinjuku Station. So ikaw ang bumili. Sumimasen. We want to buy the Hakone Kamakura 3 days pass.
Where your country?
From Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes. For 2 people.
When would you like to start it?
Now.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Which place are you going to today?
A half day Kamakura.
Kamakura?
Yeah.
Okay. And then are you coming back to Shinjuku?
Yes.
Okay. And then tomorrow you're gonna go here?
Yes.
Would you like to get the romance car for Hakone?
For tomorrow, yes.
Yeah?
But now we are just gonna stick with a pass.
Okay, you can book in advance for the romance car if you would like.
Yeah, we will do that.
Okay.
That's reserved, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's additional 1,200.
How much?
1,200.
Okay. Per person.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you accept card payment?
Yes.
Okay.
So tomorrow, this is the time schedule. It's
Aligod. Mao daw ni ang schedule. Ang katong di ba ni anak ko katong palitog additional nga katong one way. Katong 80 minutes. I-reserve mo siya daan.
Sige.
So ikaw pili asa man ani mong ganun.
Alauna.
Imong gani ko mo sa yuta.
Mga 10. Ano yan?
9:20. Ni duwa yun na
8 lang, 8.
We'll do the 8:31.
8:31.
Yeah.
This one is quite packed right now. You guys can't sit together. If
Really?
8:11 or 9:20 we can.
I will do the 9:20.
9:20, okay.
Sige, yan ganun.
So for 9:20 we can sit together.
Yeah, let me check. Let me just double check.
Okay.
Puno-puno deh.
You just show this to the staff.
Just show it anytime we use.
For Kamakura now, you just go in and then you'll show this to us. The trains are gonna go every like 20 minutes.
Okay.
To Fujisawa, so try to look for the train that's in Fujisawa.
Fujisama.
Yeah, usually it'll be on.
Hello.
Thank you.
Ano yung stamp be? Okay. Ano na siya. Butangan siya stamp. Butangan siya. Ay, tara. Okay. So, dito tayo sa platform 5. Going to Fujisawa.
Minis pa?
Guys, we're now here in Fujisawa Station and we need to transfer to Enoden Line. So, hinahanap natin siya ngayon. Let's see kung makikita natin yung Enoden Line. Ayan o. So, you have to find the arrows na lang and follow it. Taas? Okay, and Northern Line, the green one. Ari ba, magpakuan ta, magpa-stamp. Hello. Thank you. EN01, dali be.
May tayo ng Japanese.
Ito na. So, malapit na tayo. Ito na nga, papasok na nga ng Enoden Line. Yan. You can also buy your tickets here, I guess. Yan, so. Pakita na na diribe sa kilid. So, di tayo dadaan dyan kasi kumuha tayo ng pass, di ba? Hello. Ningaw lagi, be. Daghang tao, tanaw mo.
Wala ako ng balik. Hindi, pero pinakaminis. Katabi.
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Kamakura, Kokomai Station. Ayan no? Kita Ravi! Oh! Ay! Yan!
Napakanin mo?
Nakuha!
Ayaw
Alive!
Kato na slam dunk?
Oo, slam dunk. Arive! Lug, dukuos, eagle, uy! Madaming tao guys ngayon dito as expected. Kasi nga 'di ba? Ayan na yung ano be. Diya man to katong sikat-sikat nga kuan, picturanan. Ang ganda ng sunset dito sa Kamakura, guys. Grabe. Tsaka yung beach nila. Ang laki. Sobra. Ayan. Ayan. It's actually spring. So, maginaw-ginaw pa ngayon. Ang ganda dito, guys. So, we arrive here at Gokurakuji Station. Di ba? Kasi kasama to sa Can This Love Be Translated na K-drama. Kaya pinuntahan natin. At ayan na nga siya. Ayan. Di ba? So, it's almost 6 p.m. Kaya maganda. Kasi wala na masyadong tao. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, guys. Tsaka, yeah, it's okay. Tsaka, ang ganda, ang linis dito. Asa pa daw?
Ikaw.
Kana o tatong makita ang Gokurakuji? Natanaw na tas atbang naabay ka ng kuan. Puthaw. Marog daw dito. Sibog diri. Sige pa, sibo pa. Anak ka na, sakto lang ang pagkahiyak niya. Nyara, ge. Click. Click pa yun. Gana, okay ra.
Wala.
Wala kiti yun, Bi. Wala kiti yun. Ta. So guys, babalik na tayo sa Shinjuku Station ngayon kasi gabi na. We will be going back here on Wednesday kasi konti lang yung napuntahan natin ngayon. Yun lang yung Slam Dunk area, yung Kamakura Kokomai Station, and also yung yung Gokurakuji Station na filming location ng Can This Love Be Translated? So yun lang kasi hapon na kami pumunta dito. So on Wednesday, we will try our best to come back here para sa ibang filming locations ng Can This Love Be Translated. Okay, so yan na lang muna ngayon and see you later!
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move.
Guys, we're back here in Kamakura pero sobrang maulan. Kaninang umaga pa tong ulan. Hindi siya tumitigil. But we're still coming here para ipagpatuloy yung namin, journey namin, going to the filming locations of Can This Love Be Translated. So, this stop is at Hase Station because we're going to Tanaka Barbershop. Murag Mulabang tabi. Mulabang. Dito be. Kanya, mo niya pedestrian. Ali be. Okay. So we are now on our way to Tanaka Barbershop. Dali, ayun na kay palayo. On our way to Tanaka Barbershop. Dali lang. Tanaka Barbershop. Hase Station. From Tanaka Barbershop, just continue walking until you will get to Goryo Shrine. Is here at the Goryo Shrine. Malapit lang talaga siya sa Tanaka Barbershop. And even from Hase Station, this is just about 5 minutes walk. So, kung kaya niyong puntahan niyo na guys. We will see kung walang bawal doon. Tingnan natin. I hope wala. Dito kasabon. Kanang dira ba? Nawi ay na lang ay kay no photos ba ya. Dali pidagan be. Ay diha lang ka, diha lang ka.